Hi guys, welcome to Food Treasure. Today we're going to make Chana Masala, which is a vegetarian dish. Let's begin with the ingredients. So ingredient, we have chickpeas, brown onion, tomato, ginger garlic, garam masala, coriander and cumin grounded, butter, we have coriander leaves, fresh one, and we got turmeric. First we're gonna fine dice our onion. I'm doing the fine dice so I can finish in the pan without blending it. So you're gonna set aside. So you're gonna do the same with the tomato as well. So we have tomato here. So ginger garlic, you can crush it. I'm just gonna grate with this. So preparation is pretty much done. So we start cooking. So we're gonna start cooking. Put our pan on the heat. And get some butter. But either you can use a ghee or even you can use the normal oil, olive oil or the sunflower oil. It's totally up to you. You can see a little bubble in it. So once all the butter dissolves, then we're going to start cooking our. You're going to start from the ginger garlic. Ginger garlic is a key ingredient for all the curries, like masalas. So it will give you aromatic flavor. So once it light brown, we add some onion we previously chopped. Once it's slowly turned into brown, you can see the changing color. So now we can add some, we'll start from the turmeric. They give like natural color and the flavor too. You can see our onion turn into yellowish color. I forgot to mention our chickpeas is canned chickpeas. If you prefer using the fresh one, you have to boil it and make it soft. So we're adding the masalas. So once it cooks a little while, so we can add our tomatoes. Mix it thoroughly. And for this one, we can add a little bit of water. So and we'll cover it. We just gotta make sure it's not burned from the bottom. And if you think we're losing some water, we can add more. And cover it again. So we can add some salt, pepper. We got some salt. And now we can add this chickpeas. And add more water. And cover it again. You can break some chickpeas, so make a gravy. I prefer some chilies. I got some chili. It's totally up to you. Some people like it spicy, some of them they can't really handle it spicy. So chili is your optional. So we're pretty much ready with the Chana Masala. I would like to add a little bit touch of water. So we are good to go now. I'm going to turn it off now. It's good to go. That's how it look. Alright, so Chana Masala is ready to serve now. You can serve with the rice, roti, naan, but you can serve it by itself as well. And we finish with the coriander. It's ready to go.